In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Salesforce Unmanaged Package. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring you are equipped with all the knowledge needed to navigate the process smoothly. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Salesforce homepage. It's always good to kick off any task with a steady foundation, so make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once you're there, direct your attention to the Quick settings. Clicking on it will reveal several options, and from there, you'll need to select Open Advanced Setup. This is the area where you'll be handling a lot of the back-end configuration. Next, in the search bar, type Package Manager. This tool is your command center for managing packages within Salesforce. Once it appears in the results, go ahead and click on Package Manager. You'll see a host of options here, but our focus today is on creating a new package. In the Package Manager interface, hit the New button. This is your starting point for setting up a fresh, unmanaged package. You'll need to give your package a name. Choose something intuitive that reflects the purpose or the components included in the package. This will help you identify it later on. After naming your package, you'll be prompted to choose a language. This might be a small detail, but it's crucial if you're planning to roll this package out across different regions where language can make a significant difference. Once you're satisfied with these settings, click on Save. Now that the package shell is created, the next step involves adding components. You'll have to navigate back to the package and click on Add. Here, you'll need to focus on selecting the component type. It's crucial to understand the different components you're incorporating because each serves a unique function and defines the behavior of your package. Choose a component type that best fits the goals of your package and add it to your package. Once all components are added, press Upload. This is where your package starts taking a tangible form. Before you proceed, you'll have to define the version name for tracking purposes. Make sure it's specific enough to differentiate it from other iterations. You may notice an option for a password. This step is optional, but adding a password can enhance the security of your package during distribution. Think of it as an additional lock to your package, ensuring that only those with the key can unlock and use it. After you've filled in all the necessary details, click on Upload again. At this point, you just need to wait for the upload to complete. You'll receive a confirmation once the upload is finished, marking the successful creation of your unmanaged package. And there you have it. You've just created a Salesforce Unmanaged Package. This package can now be shared or used as part of your organization's Salesforce environment. Remember, creating packages is a great way to bundle components together for easy installation and deployment, adding efficiency to your Salesforce use.